It's a beautiful day. Find a way. Oh, what a day. You gotta find a way. Oh, come on now. Come on, Macau. Come on now. Come on. I gotta go, 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 go. I gotta go. Come on now. Oh, come on. Go, 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 go. I gotta go. Come on now. Oh, come on, Macau. Come on, Macau. Go, go, go. I gotta go. Oh, go, go, go. I gotta go. I gotta go. I gotta go.
Okay, we're gonna be walking down this street in a moment. Here's the context to it. And let's just run across real quick. So this is the name of our street, Silva Mendes. So let's check it out. Okay, so we have another slice of Macau. This is called Rua de Mendes Silva. So this is a street that's it's on the Macau side. It's a little bit up there, so it's not so close to where I usually film. But it's actually a good street, and actually this is a person who was around about 100 years ago, 150 years ago. And there's a big house up on Gay Hill that's now the United Nations University. And but that used to be his home. And he's actually just kind of known, he collected a lot of art in China, and he's kind of well known for that as well, back in his lifetime. So anyways, there's a street named after him, and we're going to be walking down it right now. And I'll put a maps and a little picture of him as well. So that picture that you saw was his. All right, walk and talk time. Okay, so this is called Silva Mendes Street. I'm just going to come around to the front, and then we're going to go down our street in a moment. So before we go down, there's actually these kind of cool looking green structures. I'm just going to capture these briefly, and then we're going to go down our target street. So this is also called Colonial Mesquita. So this is a Hua, and then there's another one called a Travessa. Let me just kind of walk down it briefly, and then we're going to go down our Mendes Pinto. I think it's Mendes Silva. We'll go back to it in a moment. But yeah, this is kind of cool. Let me just come right over here real quick, and then we'll continue on. Check that out. It's a lantern right there too. It's kind of surrounded by these green colonial painted buildings that are quite unique, including these beautiful balconies. That balcony, if you lived here, you just had such a different context of Macau. Those balconies, they're right there too. No shortage of cool stuff in Macau. This could actually be its own video right here. You can just kind of see here. So this is all the way down our street, and we have all these beautiful buildings right here too. Nice balconies. Okay. Including that one on that side. Okay, so we're gonna go down Mendes Silva. Let's kind of capture the beauty of these buildings. Actually, you can see stuff all the way up there too. All these different balconies up that way. Okay. There's a little pension house right here. It's kind of cool. This image right here with this pension house, and then the sign, right? Okay, so we're gonna go down our target street, and this one is Silva Mendes. So there's a pension house. Okay. So I'm going to check out some of the architecture, right? Actually, all these ones kind of have this. They can kind of look up and down the street a little bit. Let's go down this way. Get a better view once we get away from the cars. So we still have this kind of bluish building right there. We'll get down a little bit further. So now you can actually see all of those, because we can see those from that other angle, right? It's just like this big strong stretch of like, then this one too kind of has a little bit of a thing to it. Okay, so we're gonna keep on walking down. We just got like more cool stuff. So this one is Patio de Mendes. It'd be so cool to walk down this one too. There's a bagel shop right there. Let me see. What's bagel? Huh, so this one, maybe it's up there? Huh. Open for you. Well, I guess I'm gonna go down the whole street because got all those clothes up there. Okay, let's see. I'm walking all the way down. So I'm gonna catch it all the way down to the end. So this is a little patio. Patio de Silva Mendes. Okay, so we're exploring Macau. Going down Silva Mendes. We just went down a courtyard with the same name as the street. And then we also started at Colonial Mesquita. And so that original one was a little, I think, Travessa, I think, but it was right on the main street. So we're gonna keep on going down. So this is Patio de Silva Mendes. We're gonna go down Rua de Silva Mendes. Let's keep on going down. And then here's another space too. So I don't know if this is also part of the same courtyard as well. Let me just walk down a little bit further. I just want to go down to this little space in here and see. Okay. It's pretty cool though. So we're going to navigate this space, and I think that this Silva Mendes, I think it goes quite a bit further down, so I'm not so sure if I'm going to do the whole street or just half the street. I think it goes under the bridge and just keeps going. So maybe what I'll do is I'll do a little bit of a pause. So we're going to continue. I just did a slight pause just right there a moment ago. But I just want to capture this little import-export. I'm gonna go across. And then this is kind of interesting too, because this has all these little temples in there, so you can see all those right across there. So let's kind of keep on walking down a little bit. And I believe that the street goes across the street as well, so we will confirm that to be true or not in a moment. And this is kind of a main road up here. So this, I think it cut our street, so I think ours is also right there too. So I think this is also part of it too. And I think this, we'll see when we get over there, because we're gonna come back. Before we go over, we're just gonna see what this is all about right in here. So we started our street down that way. Silva Mendes. Okay, let me just see what this temple is all about. Looks like it's closed. Looks like we can see a little bit of it up there though. Okay. So we're gonna walk across over to that side. Another kind of cool looking building right there, straight ahead on the corner. So let's see if our street continues or not. Yep, same street. So Silva Mendes is still right there. So I'm just going to try to capture this a little bit. So we started down that way. More balconies. Another cool corner store right there. And we're going to keep on going down to the Silva Mendes. Give you more of a feel for this slice of Macau. That balcony. These balconies are beautiful. Okay, I think I'm going to try to get over to the other side of the street. If you can see the street, there's like one side that has no cars and one side that has cars. So whenever I'm walking around, it's amazing. So whenever I'm walking around, I try to get to the side without the cars. This has like a little bit of a better view. And I think this Mendes Pinto goes all the way down to the bridge, and it might even go under the bridge. So I'm kind of... Oh, this is another great spot right here too. This street. Patio de Mendes. It's all these kind of amazing buildings. Okay, we're gonna just keep on going because I'm gonna have, this video is gonna be so long, much longer than I want it to be. Because I love to film that little Travessa too. More beautiful balconies. You know, actually, if they painted those, I always say that anyways. There's some things in Macau are painted and they're so beautiful and they're kind of become tourist attractions. And then other ones are not. Like this paint right here makes a big difference. This one is painted blue with some beautiful Chinese characters written on the side. Looks nice. Okay. So I think our street might actually continue a little bit further. It's more nice architecture down that way too. That one's let's go see where we're just at. And I think this might continue down that way. I think it does. Let me see. So it can actually continue down that way as well, I think. Oh, so much cool stuff. Okay. So we're gonna just I'm just gonna pop over there and take a look, and then we'll see. So yeah, right there, Rua de Silva Mendes. So I just crossed underneath, and then you can see our streets divided. So this bridge right here divided the street. So it's probably historically the street was here before the bridge, and now it got divided. So this is keep on going down our street so we can finish the full one. I think we're going to come out to Sun Yat-sen's museum. So we'll do the entire street all the way to the end. Give the full context of everything. Happy Sound Music. Actually, I just walked by another music store too, so there's kind of a theme here. I think our street might end right here. So that's actually our street name. Silva Mendes. And then we're just going to go a little bit further. We're going to go out in front of the Sun Yat-sen, and then we're going to end the video. And then we still have a little bit more of the street right there. But this right here is Sun Yat-sen's, it's like a museum now. I'm just gonna go to the front door, and the end of the video would be over there, into the street. And I'm gonna end the video right here, and I'm gonna say hi to these two guys. Okay, so we're just gonna show a little bit of this courtyard. So this is actually the Sun Yat-sen Memorial Home, and I'm just gonna show a little brief part of it. But that'll be for a whole other video, I think. But I don't know when I'll do that video. But it has to be a separate one. And we are going to be ending our video right here. Sun Yat-sen Memorial Home. So we basically walked all the way down that way and came all the way back, and we're going to end it right there.
You gotta find a way. Oh, come on now. Come on, Macau. Come on now. Come on. I gotta go, 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 go.